Alright, so I can't help myself. This Encaustic Art iron kit that I've shown you already, it came with the initial set of basic colors and 30 cards. And I can't help myself. I had to buy some more cards. So you can get these individually. So this is a pack of 100 of those really slick paper cards in A6 size. And then also I went ahead and picked up some more colors. And so they have a few different selections for extra colors. Each of these boxes come 16 at a time. And I will swatch these out for you in just a second, but I'm excited about this one because it's got the metallics with the gold and silver and copper. So I can't wait to see what those look like. This is a swatch card from the original basic set, and some lovely colors that it comes with. And I'm not sure if I've shown you yet, but you can take this apart very easily. This handle slides off, and then the beauty of that is you can put the iron, let's see, you can put the iron in it like this. It's snapped right into place. You want to make sure you do it so that the face of the iron is all the way up. And then that way you can make this like a hot plate surface. And so I'm going to go plug this in and turn on the iron to low so that we can swatch these new colors. Okay, so the iron surface should be hot enough, and so you literally can just put the card over it and kind of move it around so that you can get a hot spot as we go. But we are going to go ahead and swatch out these 16 colors. All right, there we go. So the basic set that comes with the kit, or this is now the fantasy set, I think is what they call it. Some of the colors do overlap, like the black and some of these blues, purple, one of the greens, maybe one of the reds, maybe that magenta, but there are quite a few colors that are very different, like this hot pink, very translucent, and this neon yellow. This is kind of a darker yellow as well, but then the shimmery metallic ones, those are going to be fun to play with, especially on dark paper. And then this white, there's a flat white and kind of a cream color in the basic, but this is more of a pearl. It's got a shimmer and sheen to it. Oh, so much fun. Such beautiful colors. Well, thanks for watching me explore, and I will talk to you guys soon.